Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to remove newsletter sign up footer on Shopify Dawn theme. So let's get started. So as you can see right now, I'm on the Sends theme. So what I can do is I can actually just head over and publish a Dawn theme. However, if you can also just remove that specific footer depending on what your theme. So no matter what your theme is, you can actually remove it. But first, the sake of this video, we will use the Dawn theme. Now let's head over to our website in order to see what it will look like. So our website right here, when you try to scroll down, we have this newsletter in here wherein it says subscribe to our emails. So if you want to remove that, we can head back to our dashboard. Now click on the customize right here. Now once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see your Shopify editor. Now on your Shopify editor, just scroll down on your left sidebar. In here, you should be able to see the footer. Now on our footer, once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see the settings for that footer. Now you can see this email sign up, so you can uncheck that. And as you can see, it will be removed. And now the newsletter sign up footer has been removed as well. So save this progress and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, then leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.